This is immigration attorney Parviz Malakouti, and I deal with a lot of dreamers both in my private practice, and I teach dreamers in my Facebook group, DACA Dreamers Moving Forward, also on this YouTube channel. And I was in a consultation last week and I got a question from a dreamer that was doing a consult with me. And it's a question that I get fairly often from time to time. And the question is, if I start an immigration process based off of marriage or work or otherwise, and while I'm in the process of getting that green card, a DREAM Act passes, can I still qualify? Can I still apply under the DREAM Act, or am I stuck in the process I've already started after DREAM Act passes? Okay, of course, now by DREAM Act, we're talking about multiple different pieces of legislation that have been proposed since 2001. Some have passed the House, some have passed the Senate. None has ever passed both the House and the Senate, which is why we don't have a DREAM Act that was passed in law. But let's say, for example, hypothetically, maybe there's a change in political winds, and in 2021, let's say that miraculously a DREAM Act is passed by both the Senate and the House, and it comes into law. And the answer to that question, going back to my hypothetical, is that that person would still be able to qualify for a DREAM Act, assuming that they are eligible, okay? And in other words, what I mean is that when you start an immigration process for a green card as a dreamer, you can abandon that process if you want, okay? You can abandon that process and pursue another process if you're eligible for it that might be better for you, it might serve you, okay? So for example, let's say you start an immigration process that's gonna lead to consular processing. Let's say hypothetically a DREAM Act passes, which allows you to adjust status. You can abandon that initial process that you started and adjust status under a DREAM Act, a hypothetical future DREAM Act, okay? So the bottom line is, if you are somebody, if you're DREAM Act and you have a path available to you, okay, and you're weighing whether to start that process or not, okay, you shouldn't be held back by the idea that, oh, maybe a DREAM Act is gonna pass in the future and I'll be stuck. You won't be stuck, that's number one. Number two, of course, you can't rely on something passing, a piece of legislation passing, which has been failing for 19 years. Obviously, we hope, we work towards a DREAM Act being passed, but if you have another path to residency available to you, as a general matter, you should pursue that right away, okay? So anyway, just wanted to answer that question. I hope that helps. If you're a dreamer, subscribe to this channel. And if you wanna join the group that I mentioned before, it's called DACA Dreamers Moving Forward. It's a Facebook group. We talk about strategies and tips to stay in the country as a dreamer. You're all welcome to join. Just answer all 3 questions. Otherwise, have a great day.